Hello dear children, in the last video we have seen about point. We have started new lesson, that is geometry. In that we have studied point, line and line segment we have studied. Is it? Line segment. See, what do you mean by point? I have said in the last video, it has only position, that is we can read it as point A. Next, line means it can extend in both the direction. It has no end points. So we can read, if I denote this A and B, this I can say line AB or line BA, we can read it. Okay, next one we have studied line segment. It has two end points. So if I denote this as P and Q, line segment PQ or QP, we can read it. This we have studied in the last video. Now we will see the new one more, that is ray. What is this ray? A ray has only one end point. Only one end point. It can be extended in that only one direction. It can be extended in only one direction. In only one direction. For example, if I take this one point and if I extend the arrow mark here, so that time what it will become? This, if I say this is X and this one is Y, so I have to read this as ray XY. Ray XY. We have to show like this arrow mark. See here, line and line segment we are reading in both the direction. Line AB, line BA. Line segment PQ, line segment QP. But when it will comes to ray, we should read only in which direction it is. See, this arrow mark is going this way, means we have to read from this way to this way. X to Y we have to read. We should not read Y to X. If suppose the direction is like this, it is P and Q, that time we can read it as ray PQ. Ray PQ. See, that means that arrow mark is going from P to Q. Arrow mark is going from P to Q. Then we have to read it as ray PQ. This is how you have to understand about ray. Okay. Next one, angle. Next one will come angle. What is this angle? Means this is one ray. Okay. This is one ray. Here it is going from B to A. Okay. Think that it is going from B to A. I will draw one more ray, which it is one end is connected at this point and one is going to this way. I can say B to C. Okay, one ray is B to A, one more ray is B to C. Those two rays are meeting at one point. The starting points are meeting at one point. Here angle is forming. Here angle is forming. Then it is angle. Angle means two rays forms. Two rays shares common end point. Common end point. Here this is extending like this and meeting here. This is extending like this, meeting here. It is having a common end point. Then here angle is going to form. Then how to read this one? Read it as, see, whenever you are reading angle, you have to draw like this. Angle ABC you have to read. You have to choose this time three alphabets. Angle ABC or angle CBA. Angle CBA. It should be that common end point at always it should be middle. It should be middle. Then only we can say that is what? Angle. Okay. Now you can even show like this. ABC, where B is forming angle. Here CBA, here at point B there is a angle. Even you can show these two are the way to write the what angle. Okay, next one we will see some exercise part from your textbook. Here they have given identify the following figures, name them, write them symbolically. They are telling, okay, point, line segment, ray and angle all are there. You have to identify. This is a point, just any alphabet you can give. I will give this one as A, so write this one as point A. Point A. Now this one I will write it as PQ. So you have to read it as line PQ or line QP. Okay. Next, if I take this one is XY, this is line segment XY. You have to show, you should not show the arrow mark both side. You have to show only simple line segment XY or line segment YX. If you are writing, you have to write it as line segment XY. Okay. Reverse of that one also. Next one, if I take this one L and M, this we have to read it as ray LM or symbolically LM. Like this, from L to M it is going. So you have to show like this. Don't show the figure how it is like this. You should not show like that. Next, if I take this one PQR. If I take PQR, we have to read this one as angle PQR or angle RQP. Or even you can show PQR where Q is angle, RQP where again at Q there is a angle. Next one, draw and label each figure in your notebook. They have given segment TV, you have to draw. How to draw segment TV? Segment means line segment. Draw one line, show it as T and V. This is line segment TV. Point K means point. You have to show this one as K. Like this, remaining also you just try in your textbook. Okay, thank you.